Hello guys, I'm Greg Stocks and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am hugely passionate about video and travel, and today I'm going to be bringing you a video on how you can create the double exposure effect in Premiere Pro. So if you're interested in videography and adding a wow factor to your videos, then check this out. Okay, so first up what we have is we have a clip of myself here and a time lapse here. Okay, so and one thing you want to consider when making this effect is, do you just want something to look like really dope, or are you wanting to create something that holds meaning to it? Like with this, I thought it'd be quite cool to show, well, firstly, I've not seen any videos online that has a time lapse in a double exposure effect. Well, when I made this anyway, a couple of months ago. So I thought the busy chaos of London traffic would look quite cool with a still image of me to show that, like, although that we may look calm on the outside, that perhaps in our minds they're racing. So that's something that you can think about, what do you want the clip to represent? So essentially what you need is one clip which has a light background, so perhaps a sky. So here we've got a white sky, and then what you want to do is you want to color correct the video. So at the moment it's looking quite flat, and you want to increase the whites so that it's nice, the whites are bright in the background, and then make the darks darker so that it's contrasty, so that the image of the foreground stands out from the background. And that's just going to make it easier for Premiere Pro to find the clip below, which I will show you. So what I've got is a clip of myself, and this is the before and this is after the color grade. So what you can see is I've upped the contrast, lowered the highlights, increased the whites and darken the blacks. So again, this is the before and after. And the same with the nested sequence here of the time lapse. This is nested, by the way, because as you can see, we've got loads of photos here, and it just makes it easier if you nest. So to next, you just highlight the clips, right click, select nest, and it puts it together into one clip. Then I've done the same again, so I've added a little color correction, and there we go. So next up, what you want is the clip here of the time lapse. You're going to drag underneath this image here, and then what you want to do is the image above, you select, go over to your effect controls, and you want to change the blend mode to lighten, and this is what happens. So the image underneath on that track starts to show through. However, as you can see, it's showing through everywhere, and I don't want this. I just want it to show through where my face is. So what we can then look to do is, if you click on the nested sequence, go over to the effects controls panel and click this little pen tool here, and then you're simply going to draw where you want this effect to show through. So I'm going to do a very rough drawing, quick drawing here. You're just going to click, doing this rough just so you're not spending ages watching this. I'm going to go around my big nose there, woo, and go around my chin. Okay, and then once you join them clips together, boom, you see that? It disappears from here, and then you can just go in and adjust these points to make it a bit more accurate. And what I like to use as well is we have the feather tool here. You can just adjust that, and then that just kind of gives it this nice blend so that those lines aren't looking as harsh. That is it, guys. So here's the original clip. there we go, that's all there is to it. So feel free to have fun, play around, see what you can come up with. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please drop it a thumbs up if you've liked it, and feel free to subscribe. My YouTube channel is a bit of a mess at the moment because there's a few years of content on there, but now I'm going to be taking it seriously and going to be bringing you anything from travel films to advice, stories. I love sharing stories, and filmmaking tips, and some bit of photography stuff as well. So feel free to subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.